In Python we know any character multiplied by the number of times repeats that character. So what my student did was something like this. There's a small rectification that I would like to add, that print starts in new line, so we don't need this line anymore. So I'll be commenting out these lines, these printing lines, this new line printing. I'll be commenting it out. Save the changes and run the program once again. CLS to clear the console. So what is the professional approach? Something like this. So the user will be calling a function. The calling of the function named is logic. So what this logic will be doing is that it is a function. So functions are defined by def, name of the function. It doesn't expect any parameter, but it will be asking for some limit for the stars to appear multiple times, and integer since, then input. So input takes everything as a string as an input. For that reason we are typecasting it to integer. Please enter your limit. Next what we will be doing is that we will be running a for loop for number in range, and it will start from 1 and will go all the way along to limit. So limit, if the limit is 4, it will run up to 3. So limit plus 1. So what we will be doing is that we will be printing that character. What we will be printing? We will be printing star. It will be multiplied by num. So num, so 1 to limit plus 1. So 1 means for the first loop we are getting star 1 times, then 2, then 3, then 4 and so on. But we won't be stopping in here. After printing of num there will be a new line. So print, so print starts in new line, so I don't need this one. So that's the whole of the code. Now let's run the program and see how it looks. Ctrl S to save the file. That's all for the short video tutorial. I tried out a new way to just do this in a, I know it might sound ridiculous since there are a lot of music and background noises. Anyways, I tried my best. There will be other videos as well on Python. Thank you all guys and happy coding.